Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming at you one more again. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a Koorui, I'm sure I butchered the name, 15.6-inch portable monitor. I've been just recently interested in this product, and it was just in time because I needed one to replace my work monitor, as I had to give that one to my mama when I built her a computer. The old monitor she was using only had VGA output, but the new computer has HDMI and display output only, but it all worked out just the same. After researching many videos on some of the best portable monitors, I came across this one that received good reviews, and it was also under $100, which makes it a bargain. Although there are more expensive portable monitors, I saw no reason to spend more money on something that I will only use when I'm diagnosing computers. However, this can also be a good screen for projecting videos from phones or tablets onto, making them larger to watch. So with that said, let's open the box and see what's inside. The first thing that is on top is a tablet, so be careful when removing it from its resting place. Under that, we have the instruction booklet. Then there is an included mini HDMI to full-size HDMI cable, which is always a plus. And finally, there's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Note, you will need to use both the HDMI and USB Type-C cables for the monitor to work. Because of this tablet being 15.6 inches, it does have a little bit of weight, so don't underestimate it when holding it. I like the idea that it comes with a case, which also serves as a stand. Upon opening the case, the tablet has a glossy screen that looks clean and functional. On the right side, there is a mini HDMI port, two USB Type-C ports, a speaker port, volume rocker button, and the power button. On the left side, there is another speaker port. Now to connect the monitor and see how it looks. First, connect the USB Type-C cable to the back of the device, whether that be a computer or a laptop, and then connect the other end to the Type-C port on the portable monitor. Next, connect the full-size HDMI cable to the device, whether that be a computer or laptop. Then connect the other end to the mini HDMI port of the portable monitor. Make certain that you have the correct orientation of the cable. It may be a little tough to get the cable pushed into the port, but just keep pushing and it will fall into place. Power on the device and you should get a display on the screen. Make certain the portable monitor is powered on also by pressing the power button for 3 seconds and releasing. If you do not get a picture on the display, check your connection. The case stand allows the monitor to adjust at 4 different angles. It is a smooth transition, and at one point I thought the monitor would fall, but it kept its position. I'm sure one of these angles will suffice for the position you need the monitor set at. The resolution this monitor gave is not disappointing. I did not have to do much eye strain to see what I was doing on the monitor. Of course, one has to look down at it, but that can be solved by placing it on top of a box or even a computer case itself, which I wish I would have thought of at the time. Although there are settings that can be configured on this monitor, there was no reason to with the default settings that were already in place, but they are there if you need to make changes to the resolution or brightness. If you are looking for an inexpensive portable monitor that won't break your piggy bank, I would recommend giving this unit a try. Hopefully it will last me a very long time and supply hours of service. If you think you'd be interested in this portable monitor, I'll leave a link to this product in the video description below. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.